What I love about this class is that people gather from all over the world to come together in community for this little period of time so that I can show them how to access this ancient system. And the reason that matters is because when you do it yourself, when you realize, oh my God, I did it, I'm a mystic, I can access this space. You have to put the time in, it takes energy, but over time, you can have a relationship to your own guides. You can be a mystic. You can receive the information about your soul's purpose, what you need to heal, where you are in your soul cycle, in your incarnations, anything, a million things. It's an endless library designed to help you rediscover the deepest aspects of yourself.